everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be giving you a wardrobe tour. We recently had some IKEA Pax wardrobes installed into our bedroom and we are so happy with the results. So I'm going to talk you through everything, all of the hidden features which you'll probably be able to see behind me, and how we created this wardrobe. If you want to know a little bit more about it, what we paid for it, and also how you can design your own, then just keep watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Let's get started. So before I get started with the tour, I wanted to show you how it looked a few weeks ago before we had it all built in. And this is what it looked like before and when we took down the old wardrobe. All of this that you can see here is because we took out our old built-in wardrobe. So today that is going to get boxed in. We've also got like this wood here that needs to be taken down and flattened. This is kind of the before, so you can see how it looks right now. We will need to paint it as well so it matches our bedroom. Can't really see at the moment because it is quite a dark day, but the paint in our bedroom is called Polished Pebble by Dulux, and we've also got this in Orlando's bedroom as well. But yeah, once that is all built in at the top, we'll also paint that as well. I think by doing this, it's going to make it look more expensive and custom, so I'm very excited about that. I think I do want to change the handles eventually as well, but they're obviously like a pull handle, so I need to find something that is going to be okay for this. I'll show you later on when the carpenter is left how it is looking. This is what it's all looking like now. The carpenter has recently left. He's done a really good job actually, and like around here this has all been boxed in too. We just need to cover this. Mark's got to do this bit here, but it looks so good. When it's all painted, it's just going to look like it's part of the room. He used some of the old skirting board to like make it look like it all, well, is meant to be there. Next job is to paint it and to sort that corner out as well. So this is our IKEA Pax wardrobe. We had some MDF built around it to make it look like it's a built-in wardrobe, and it's worked really well. So let me just show you what the wardrobe looks like from outside. So this is what it looks like. It's mirrored. Previous to having this done, we had a built-in wardrobe over here, which was already built in when we moved into the house, and it came to around here. So it was quite big. It was about like a 3-door wardrobe, and we knocked this out while Mark knocked it out. And initially what I wanted to do was have like a big vanity area over here and a wardrobe on the end, but we just thought that is not going to be enough room. I did have a wardrobe in the other bedroom, which is now Orlando's bedroom, so I moved everything into this room. So this is a his and hers wardrobe, so Mark's got his stuff in a wardrobe, I've got my stuff as well. So we also wanted to have our TV in here, which is something that, you know, we've always had in our room, but we had a huge TV across here previously, and then we had some vanity space down below. So what we did was we created a vanity space within the wardrobe and also a TV unit within the wardrobe as well. As you can see, this is a large wardrobe, and previously we had some quotes done from a couple of places, so Sharps and also Hammond, and the quotes for those wardrobes came in very, very high. I think it was Sharp came in at around £5,000 to do a wardrobe in our house, and I could not believe my ears when he told me. So basically it was initially just to have a wardrobe like up to this point, and then to have the vanity across here with a built-in wardrobe over that side as well. So it wasn't even a full wardrobe space, and they quoted £5,000. We then got a quote from Hammond's, and that come down to around £3,000, and Sharp said that they would price match that. We didn't go ahead with it because we just thought it was too much money to go and spend, and then we looked at IKEA for some other solutions. Now initially I didn't think the IKEA wardrobes were going to fit in here. I thought they would be too deep, and I didn't realise that they actually did shallower wardrobes which would fit behind that door, because I didn't want to like start it halfway over here. One of my other ideas was actually to have my vanity here behind the door, but I'm really glad that I didn't do that and we went for the shallower wardrobe space because we needed that space. We've got a shallower wardrobe here. I'll show you over here. And then it comes out further, and then this is like the main wardrobe here, as you can see. And we have a 75 wide wardrobe and also 200 wide wardrobes. So we've got these ones which are 100 wide, and then here you can see we've got a 75 wide and also another 75 wide here. Now that is just what worked best in this space, and as you can see IKEA now do like a smaller door here, so it worked out really perfectly well, and it still just opens up. It's just a smaller door, so we went for 100, 75, 100, and then another 75 there, and then we just kind of left the gaps around the edges, which were then filled in with MDF to make it look like a bespoke wardrobe and like it was built in. So I'm going to show you this side first, which is the smallest one. If I just open that, and I'll come back for you. So this wardrobe here, you have to have the rail coming outwards that way because it's a shallow wardrobe. So what I've done is I use this for like my coats, and then I've also got drawer space below here. I'm going to turn the light off so you can kind of see it a bit better. So we've got lots of coats in there. And then we've got some drawers here, which is just for random stuff really. I just have like bags, scarves, things that I don't really need to access very often. And then also down here, I've got a pull out kind of basket which has got all of my hair tools in, so my hairbrushes, things like that, and straighteners and stuff. As you can see, there's still quite a lot of space here for hanging space, and like I said, what I do is I just keep all of my coats in here. So that is that. Now if I take you over to this space, this is Mark's wardrobe, so this is where he keeps all of his stuff. You can create this wardrobe however you want to. If you prefer long hanging space, you could do that. You can literally change what you want on the IKEA PAX planner, which is on their website. So literally just pop all of your measurements in and then you can work with that. So what we wanted was just hanging space across because Mark just wanted to put all of his tops up there and jumpers and stuff like that. We then have 3 drawers and then we've got a basket at the bottom. You have to have the basket at the bottom or something else. You can't have a drawer because of the brackets that you can see on the sides there. So we went for a basket at the bottom, which he's got some shoes in and things like that. In this top drawer, he's got like underwear. Then he's got like his t-shirts in there. Very easy to find, and the drawers are really deep as well. He still has so much space in his wardrobes to kind of fill up. A great size, and it works really well for him. He's still got loads of space in there, and it stays neat and tidy too, which is great. You can have the lights put in if you want to, or you don't have to. We opted to have the lights in. I think it looks really nice. It's a nice little finish. And then I'll take you over to my side. So my side of the wardrobe is not the tidiest, I will warn you, but this is what mine looks like. So let me open this side up. So I've got a lot in my wardrobe, as you can see, but you can see it's still holding up pretty well in there. So I've got loads of winter stuff, which I actually need to put in the loft because it's coming up to summer now, but I've got all of my jumpers in there, all of my like blouses, dresses. I've got a few coats in there as well. And then I've also got the 3 drawers like Mark, but at the bottom I opted to have a shoe drawer, which actually comes out and it's like a 2-tiered shoe drawer, like so. I just felt that a shoe drawer for me would be much more useful than having the basket at the bottom, and it works really well. Now if I had more space in this room, then I would obviously opt for like the longer hanging space, but I had to sacrifice that and go for the drawers instead because I did need drawer space as well. So to be honest, this works absolutely fine, and I just hang my dresses and kind of fold them over the hanger, and that works absolutely fine for me. But like I said, I do need to declutter this space so I can create a bit more room for summer clothes. But that is my wardrobe. And then if we come over here, I will show you my vanity space and my TV space. So this is my vanity and TV space, which works amazingly well. So at the top here we've got a shelf for kind of my beauty bits, so I've just got hair and tan and stuff like that. We've then got the TV in there. My husband is an electrician, so he placed the TV in here and put a plug socket in there as well, which has been really useful. And then this is my vanity area down here, so we've got one drawer for all of my makeup. Then I also left a space down here so I could put my dressing table stool in there and hide it away. Now if you've got a bigger room, then you could use this all for drawer space if you wanted to, and then have your chair out. But for me, I needed to make this compact and put the chair away, so that is what we did with this space, and it really works well. I was a bit hesitant. I did think that I wasn't gonna like having the vanity like within the wardrobe, but to be honest, with these lights and also the light on my mirror, which is a Ricky mirror, it just works so well. I'm really pleased that we went ahead with this decision and that we planned it this way. I've not actually seen one like this before with the IKEA PAX system. I've seen them with drawers all the way down, but I've never seen them with the hidden stool, so I think it looks really great, and it's an amazing IKEA PAX hack if you are limited on space but still want some vanity area as well. Like I said, this is a 75 wide, so this is the perfect kind of width. I think if I went for the 100 wide, it would have been way too big, so the 75 is great for this. And then we also have this TV in here, which is a 32-inch TV. So that is what it looks like. I'm just so pleased with this, and I think it works really well. But if you've got any questions regarding the wardrobe space, regarding the size, then do let me know. The overall price of this wardrobe was £1,000, so it's a 1,062 I believe for the whole wardrobe, which I think is great considering we were quoted £5,000 initially for half the wardrobe space from another company. So I think it works really well. I love that we've kind of built it in so it looks more bespoke, and it works really well in this room. With this being a smaller room, I think having the mirrors also is amazing because it makes the room feel so much bigger. This is the wardrobe that we designed on the PAX planner, which is on the IKEA website, and if you go into store they can also help you with that too. Obviously we can't do that at the moment, but you can do this online and it's super easy to use. So I've just opened the wardrobe doors now so you can see how we've kind of configured this space. We wanted lots of drawer storage. Of course you could have long hanging space if you wanted to. You could have this for long hanging space, but I felt because it wasn't a deep enough wardrobe, we wouldn't be able to have the rail across, so I didn't think it would make much sense doing that, and I prefer having the drawer space in this section here. Obviously we've got Mark's wardrobe, which is perfect for him. We've got the vanity area here, which is an amazing hidden hack with the TV as well, and then we've also got my wardrobe over there. So yeah, it works really well for us, and obviously we've had this for a few months now, and I'm so pleased that we made the decision to go for the IKEA Pax wardrobe. It's just given this room a new lease of life, and I love coming into this room now, so I'm super happy with the decision that we made. Over in this side too, we do have this really skinny drawer here, which I am yet to buy the insert for, which is going to be like a jewellery tray. You can choose to have things like this. You can also choose to have the clear top, so some of them have like a clear glass shelf there, so if you wanted to. One of my thoughts actually when doing this vanity was to have the clear top, but then I thought actually I can be quite messy with my makeup, so I'd rather not be able to see that. So I think that was actually a really good decision. But if you have like really lovely accessories and you'd like to display that, then you could go for the glass top, and I think that would look really beautiful. This is a little sneak peek of my makeup drawer. It's quite messy at the moment, but it works really well for me, and it's so good for storage. There's loads of space in there, and then again you've got the storage up the top there as well. So that, guys, is a little tour of my IKEA wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you've got any questions regarding the wardrobe whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below for me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.